Hi folks, Mike Reed from TradeStalker.com. Quick video recap for Wednesday, the 10th day of January. Okay, we started today. This is quite a reversal day here. This is yesterday's close after they sold off hard, bounced back here into the close. This morning we had a higher open that was just 2 ticks below our 89.5, 90.5 zone and immediately came down. This was updated support at 80.5. They held right there, just below yesterday's close, and turned up. Bounced back to this resistance and kind of held here for a while, but we still had an uptrend here, and we had to have a pullback. And I stated this numerous times throughout the day. That was going to be more than 2 3/4 points. So 1 3/4 to 2 3/4 point pullbacks were to be bought. You could buy the pullbacks, and the stop have to be just past, just about 3 points from, subtract that from the high would be your stop. So you could have an entry with a pretty tight stop on the way down. If you enter like 2 points off the high, you have like a 1 point stop loss on a pullback. So anyway, pullback here was about 2.5 points, held just above this became new support. He went through the 75.5, 76.5 zone, kind of like it wasn't there. We're all green bars here. We're still going up, and it went right up to the 80.5 potential reversal area, and what we got was another 2.5 point pullback. So we're still in an uptrend, strong uptrend, unless we get more than that. We took out this area, then we made the run, and we made the run to just above the all-time high here. And then finally, at the end of the day, we came down. We did have more than a 2.5 point pullback. So that gave us reason to think that we could get some better sell-off into the close possibly here. So it bumped up here to just about to settle here. Bumped up here to just under 8.5. It was 8 3/4 and came down again here. So boy, with a V bottom in place, and after yesterday's trading and today's trading, we certainly have some big volatility back, and definitely looks like we have some good setups ready for tomorrow with where we're at here. So hope you had a great trading day today, and hope to have you on board with TradeStalker.com soon. Come join us. Have a great evening.